Is your dream truck has been in abusive relationship? It's always been abused by the owner, demanding more power, tuning it, deleting it, and asking more and more and more, and now the truck is crying for help. Well, this flywheel is from 68 RFE, tune delete, abused fleet truck. It was removed. Well, what do you see? Can't really see much from here, but you can see tiny cracks everywhere. Well, if we flip it around, the truck was crying for help and making grinding noise. Well, of course, cracked flywheel or flex plate, whatever you want to call it. Well, owner replaced this flywheel, flex plate, and all the problems went away. And truck continues to serve by abusive owner trying to get more power out of it.